Hello, and welcome to another update video on DOT. The Polkadot chart is on its way down lower. I have to assume that we're already in a third wave to the downside, even though I don't like very much the structure here. But it looks like we are indeed in this third of a third wave in the yellow scenario. That the wave 2 already topped in December 24. Even though that was the alternative scenario, I thought we would at least get maybe here a larger wave 2, circle wave 2, yeah. That would have been nice, but the market doesn't want to do it. Anything's possible. We can always turn around, but there is just no solid case anymore for a turnaround here. There just isn't. It can still happen somehow. So, for example, in the white count, this could still be some kind of very weird flat correction, like an A wave up. Yeah. Then the B wave itself as A, B, C. If this is it, and then at some point here, maybe a turnaround. So we can determine the support level for that. There is another support level I will show you in this video. But overall, until I see any reaction to the upside, no. Focus has to be on the downside. Which means, because we've broken below all support levels, yeah. So that means the idea is now that we are in this direct pathway lower. That means the market will stay in a downtrend as long as we stay below this level. This is the key level. This is our green line here at $5.40. As long as we stay below that level, there is absolutely nothing bullish. And even then, I would only see it as a wider wave 2 corrective rally. Now, there is another support level I wanna share with you, because I mean, yellow count should be clear. Wave 1 down, wave 2 up. We're already in the pathway lower, more directly towards below $1. Yeah, unfortunately. Now there is this white count, which is not high probability, but it is definitely a bullish alternative. So in this case, the wave A topped in March 24. Then this B wave is still unfolding as an A, B, C structure. So that C wave might simply be still unfolding, yeah. But the problem with it is, why is it not highly probable? Because it's an overshooting B wave to the downside. I mean, wow. I mean, that's bearish, and it's not high probability anyway. But there is we can identify support levels for that overshooting B wave to the downside. And these are the ones, but let me remove the ones we don't need. There are really only two that are really relevant. $2.64 and $2.22. Okay, these are support levels here for overshooting B wave, for an overshooting B wave to the downside, because technically a wave B should not overshoot more than the 138% retracement of the A wave. That's kind of a limit. It's not really a limit. Yeah, it's not like science or anything, or this, but it's about probabilities. I rarely see B waves overshoot more than that. It's possible, I have to say it very clearly, but then it's not a desirable chart to deal with anyway, to trade also. Yeah. But yeah, this is kind of the only other support area we have, in my view, before 79 cents. So if there is any chance for a turnaround, the bulls have it here, 222 to 264. Just want to let you know, I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.